How's everybody doing?
Good. Good so far.
All right, all right.
Nothing yet.
Cool, cool. You know, I don't know if you guys had any of that pie already, but that is some tasty stuff. That's from the bake sale that Lois was...
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for San Bernardino County, Los Angeles County, Ventura County, and Orange County, effective until 3:34 p.m.
To those who never got over Olive Garden's braised beef tortelloni, and those who rallied to bring back ravioli to Portobello, we're obsessed that you're still obsessed. So we're bringing back fan favorites for a limited time, starting at $12.99.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for San Bernardino County, Los Angeles County, Ventura County, and Orange County, effective until 3:34 p.m. This county, Ventura County.
New episodes of the heroic quest of the valiant Prince Ivanhoe, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's the amazing world of Gum.